Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to control a drone with a smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to control a drone with a smartphone, you must download the manufacturer's dedicated mobile app and connect your phone to the drone via Wi-Fi or cable, and then use the app's on-screen controls. Most modern drones, particularly from major brands like DJI, are designed to be controlled this way. So, after connecting your phone to the drone, all you gotta do is simply open the drone's app. Launch the drone's dedicated app on your smartphone and then simply fly your drone. After flying your drone, you can get manual controls, like a joystick. You can simply turn your mobile phone as a joystick and simply do the manual controls. You can also automate flight modes and adjust your camera settings. So always check local laws and use an app like FAA's B4UFLY to ensure safe and legal flying. Keep the app and drone's firmware updated for optimal performance and access to the latest feature. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.